Guys, Meowser has been leaked for Smash Brothers. Let's talk about this leak.
I'm a fireball.
Guys, welcome back to another video. It's Stupid Studio Productions here, and today I want to talk about a big leak. Now, you may be wondering, why have I got Meowser on my screen? Well, at the start of the video, I said Meowser in Smash Ultimate. Now, yes, this has been leaked. It's a real leak that might put Meowser in the roster of fighters, and I'm really excited because Meowser's a really cool character. And the first time I seen him was watching 3D World gameplay on YouTube, and in Super Mario Maker 2 when they added the 3D World theme, obviously. And yeah, so Meowser in Smash. What do I think about it? Well, I don't know, because it has not been officially confirmed by Nintendo. Meowser is coming, but the leaks could be coming together that we are getting a Echo Fighters Pass now, and one of the fighters in the Echo Fighters Pass might be Meowser. Now, I think if they were going to go for an Echo Fighter for Bowser, that'd be one of the options for an Echo Fighter. But two of the other options could be Dry Bowser or Dark Bowser. But, you know, I'm just really excited because I didn't expect them to put just a simple power-up version of Bowser into Smash Brothers. Like, that's just crazy, guys. Like, Meowser in Smash. Like, I'm too excited. I did not expect this to happen. Craziest thing I've ever heard in a day, in days. So this is just really crazy. Like how you could put Meowser in. So yes, Meowser has indeed been leaked for Super Smash Brothers Ultimate. But what about Dry Bowser? Where does this leave this character? Well, I'm not very sure. You know, because I expect they are doing... oh, sorry. I expect... oh, sorry, guys. I'd expect them to... if they were going to add Meowser, not just... like, they could add him as a free skin for Bowser in the eShop, like the free one, because it's literally just a costume of another character. So maybe they could just make that for, like, I don't know, 20p, something like that. And or the other option they could go in is make an Echo Fighters Pass, which has been leaked for a long time, and I think is going to be real now due to the more sort of less sort of Echo Fighters and Smash Brothers. You know, I really think they make an Echo Fighters Pass. You know, I mean, there's just been too many Smash Brothers leaks right here. Like, this is just so crazy. Like, this is the craziest thing. Like, Meowser, a simple just costume of Super Smash Brothers, is literally a echo fire of Bowser, and we've never gotten a DLC echo fire before. Like, so yeah, I'm excited. So what else does this mean for Super Smash Bros. Ultimate? Well, I believe this could also mean I think this could also mean Cat Mario in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate as a fighter as well. Now, obviously, Cat Mario hasn't really been leaked, but we are getting an actual amiibo of him soon, which is really cool. We're also getting Cat Peach as well. And this is really exciting news, you know. The Cat Mario characters, I think, could work really well in Super Smash Brothers. And it's really cool. But the main character that has been leaked is Meowser. That sort of puts it down the roster. The other cat characters getting in. But the main cat characters of the main cat characters of Super Mario 3D World is Cat Mario, Cat Peach, Cat Toad, Cat Luigi, and Cat Bowser. But what could this mean? Could we be getting Toad as well? Like, imagine if we got Cat Toad as well, and there was one alternate we could play as the actual character. Oh, we had a whole different moveset and everything. Which, whilst I don't think they do that, I still think it'd be really cool to see the cat characters in Super Smash Brothers. You know, they're really cute little characters and all that, but in, like, Luigi in a cat suit, I sort of like that. And this could be Mr. L coming to Smash finally. Hooray! So that's exciting. So what do you think about this, guys? Is Meowser coming to Super Smash Bros. Ultimate? If the leak is real, is Meowser actually coming to Smash Ultimate? Let's talk in the comments. See you guys next time.